Greetings and welcome to our latest video on the teachings of Neville Goddard. This is a topic that I am truly passionate about, and I'm so excited to be sharing it with you today. If you are new to Neville Goddard, let me extend a warm welcome to you and encourage you to stick around till the end. I promise you won't regret it. In this video, we will be discussing one of the most crucial and life-changing aspects of Neville Goddard's teachings, the pearl of great price. This is a concept that has had a profound impact on my life and the lives of many others, and I truly believe it can do the same for you. Now, before we dive into today's discussion, I have a quick request. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, or you're watching this video for the first time, I kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to receive notifications for more videos on the law of assumption. This way, you'll never miss a single video, and you'll be able to continue learning and growing with us. Now, let's get started. A few lines from Neville Goddard's lecture state that it takes everything we own as beliefs that we think are the powers to guide our lives to pay for the pearl of great price. This statement may sound a bit confusing, so let me explain it to you. The pearl of great price is actually your imagination, and it's what brings into your 3D world all the things that you imagine. This priceless imagination is what makes you the god of your reality and helps you control the circumstances in your life. Becoming the great teacher that Neville Goddard was required him to purchase the pearl of great price. He had to let go of all of his old beliefs and sell them as worthless, because it takes everything you now believe in, other than the pearl, to pay for it. He gave up his belief in astrology, numerology, and other things, and as a result, he became the god of his reality. If you want to become the god of your reality and manifest your desired life, you too must buy the pearl of great price. But what does it take to buy the pearl of great price? In simple terms, it takes sacrifice. You'll have to sacrifice your thoughts and beliefs if you really want to buy this precious pearl. You may need to give up your belief in horoscopes, tarot card readings, psychic readings, rituals, luck, superstitions, and signs, to name a few. You have not yet purchased the pearl of great price if you have studied Neville Goddard's teachings and are still holding on to some of these old beliefs. Neville Goddard often referred to Jesus Christ and the Bible in his lectures, saying that the Bible says you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. This is so true, as once you discover the truth, it will set you free from all the things of which you were a slave. You'll feel truly free and fearless, knowing that you have all the power in the universe and that nothing else matters but you. This is what the pearl of great price makes you aware of, the truth that you are the god. However, many people don't believe that they are the god, and that is because we became the slaves of our beliefs when we were infants. We were conditioned to believe in astrology, numerology, and other such things, and as a result, we lost touch with the truth that we are the god. But if you want to buy the pearl of great price, you have to sell all your old beliefs. This pearl is so precious that if you truly want it, you'll be willing to pay any price. Now, let's continue our discussion on the pearl of great price. The pearl of great price represents the ultimate truth and power, but it's not an easy journey to get there. It's a journey of self-discovery, of letting go of old beliefs and embracing new ones, and of transforming your life. but it's worth it. It's worth the journey because once you have the pearl, you will have the power to control your reality and live life on your own terms. One of the most important things to remember when buying the pearl of great price is to focus on your imagination. Your imagination is the key to manifesting your desires, and it's the tool that you'll use to shape your reality. You must focus your imagination on what you want, and then you'll see it appear in your physical reality. Many people don't believe that they have the power to control their reality, but this is not true. We all have the power to control our reality, and the pearl of great price gives us the tools to do so. We just have to be willing to make the necessary sacrifices and to embrace the truth that we are the God. So, how can you start buying the pearl of great price today? The first step is to identify and release your old beliefs. Start by reflecting on your current beliefs and ask yourself if they are serving you. If not, it's time to let them go. The next step is to focus on your imagination. Neville Goddard teaches that imagination is the most powerful force in the universe and that it has the ability to shape your reality. Your imagination is what creates your beliefs, and the beliefs you hold are what determine the circumstances in your life. Therefore, if you want to create a reality that is aligned with your desires, you must focus on your imagination. To do this, you need to start by visualizing your desires as if they have already happened. For example, if you desire a new car, imagine yourself driving it. Feel the excitement and joy of owning it. If you desire a new job, imagine yourself in that position. Feel the satisfaction and fulfillment of having it. The more you focus on your imagination and hold on to the feelings, the more you will become the master of your own reality. It's also important to remember that imagination is not limited to visualizing your desires. You can also use your imagination to change your beliefs and remove limiting beliefs that are holding you back. For example, if you believe that you're not good enough, imagine yourself as confident and capable. Feel the confidence and capability within you. Another important aspect of buying the pearl of great price is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that will help you attract more of what you want into your life. When you are grateful, you are in a state of abundance, and you will attract more abundance into your life. So, make a daily practice of expressing gratitude for the things you have in your life, no matter how small they may be. Finally, don't forget to take action. The pearl of great price will not just appear in your life without effort on your part. You must take action and work towards your desires. Remember, the pearl of great price represents the ultimate truth and power, but it's up to you to use it to transform your life. In conclusion, the pearl of great price is a life-changing aspect of Neville Goddard's teachings that can help you transform your life. It requires sacrifice, self-discovery, and focus, but the reward is worth it. You have the power to control your reality, and the pearl of great price gives you the tools to do so. So, start buying the pearl of great price today, and watch as your life transforms into what you always wanted it to be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for more amazing content on Neville Goddard's teachings. Until next time, my dear friends, stay blessed and never stop dreaming.